Welcome to the SaaT System Channel. Here we explore digital trends, global markets, and investment strategies that shape the future of wealth. Our goal is to help you understand where technology meets finance and how you can position for growth in the digital economy. In today's episode, we continue our digital trends series with a deep dive into quantum computing and the opportunities it creates for long-term growth. Stay tuned until the end, because we will introduce an outlook into the leading companies in the quantum space and how you can gain investment exposure. Digital Trends Series: Quantum Computing and Investment Opportunities. We cannot talk about digital trends without addressing one of the most important subjects of our time: the rising demand for computing power. Quantum computing is no longer just theory, it's moving closer to commercial reality. While it won't replace classical computers, it has the potential to redefine the digital economy. By solving problems that even today's fastest supercomputers cannot handle in a practical time frame. For investors, this represents an opportunity to position early in a frontier that could unlock trillions in market value. Why quantum matters. Classical computers process data in bits, zeros, or ones. Quantum computers process data in qubits, which can be both 0 and 1 at the same time, thanks to the principles of quantum mechanics. This difference creates exponential computational power for specific types of problems. A classical supercomputer might take 10,000 years to solve a highly complex chemistry problem. A quantum computer could, in theory, solve the same problem in minutes. For example, Google's Sycamore processor demonstrated a calculation in 200 seconds. That would take the world's most advanced supercomputer about 10,000 years to complete. This leap is not about being just a little faster. It is about turning impossible into possible. Market-dominating applications, drug discovery, and healthcare. Quantum can simulate molecules and proteins at atomic scale, reducing drug R&D from decades to years. Financial services. Quantum optimization can improve portfolio management, risk analysis, and fraud detection. Artificial intelligence. Training advanced AI models could move from months to days. Cybersecurity. Both breaking today's encryption and building post-quantum security. Market outlook. Analysts project the global quantum computing market could reach hundreds of billions of dollars by the year 2030. Revenues will come from quantum as a service, cloud access, software and algorithms, enterprise problem solving. The tipping point will come when quantum is offered on demand, much like cloud computing today. Investment insights. Still early stage, high volatility, pre-profit companies. Big tech offers safer exposure. Microsoft, IBM, Amazon, Alphabet, ETFs provide diversification and lower single stock risk. Large-scale adoption may take 5 to 10 years. Leading companies. Direct exposure. IonQ, IONQ, trapped ion quantum hardware. Rigetti Computing, RGTI, superconducting qubits. D-Wave, QBTS, quantum annealers for optimization. Tech giants with quantum divisions. IBM Quantum Cloud. Alphabet, Google, Sycamore Quantum Processor. Microsoft, MSFT, Azure Quantum, topological qubits. Amazon, AMZN, AWS Breakit Services. Indirect plays, enablers and partners. Honeywell's Quantinuum, hardware plus enterprise software. Semiconductor suppliers, cryogenics, lasers, electronics. Cybersecurity leaders, post-quantum encryption. ETFs and funds for diversified exposure. Defiance Quantum ETF, QTUM. Wisdom Tree Artificial Intelligence and Innovation, WTAI. Global X Future Analytics Tech ETF, AIQ. iShares Exponential Technologies ETF XT. ARK Next Generation Internet ETF, ARKW. Quantum computing could unlock trillions in value across finance, healthcare, AI, and energy. For investors, it's not just another trend. It's one of the most important frontiers of the digital economy. And as promised, the outlook we just introduced into the leading companies gives you a map of where the real opportunities lie in the quantum space. If you enjoyed this presentation, Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. For daily briefs and analysis across macroeconomics, real estate, stocks, crypto, and digital intelligence, visit SaaTSystem.com. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Investing involves risk, including loss of capital. Always do your own research and consult a qualified advisor.